I was just gonna make a short little Animal Jam video. And if you guys can hear them in the background, I'm talking to someone on Skype. Say hi, guys. They can. Well, yeah, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna be doing a Animal Jam den showcase. Okay, I'm basically gonna be showing you my den. So let's go to my den. Okay, so here's my den. First, we have a tiki torch. A mailbox and welcome inside. And then we have like a little emblem flag right there, and we have Sky High, which is the video game. We'll explore that later. And yeah, so you can see. Shh. As you can see, I have all these plushies in my house. It's almost all the way filled up, and then I have a Fire Emblem, some like. I don't know where I got that. And I got a treasure chest. And then I have a telescope, which I shared with someone. And I also have a banana thing. Got some pizza boxes, paint marks, and yeah. So, as I said, I would be doing the Sky High game and showing you. Before we do that, I'm going to show you my items I have. Okay, so I have the round glasses, horn leg pads, heart locket, butterfly wings, silver glove, pink spiked hair, dragon mask, horn leg pads, and eye helmet. And yeah, that's what I have. Okay, so and then let's play Sky High. This is basically like doodle jump, but Animal Jam style. So yeah, basically what you have to do in this game is you got to make it all the way to the top, and if you make it all the way to the top, then you get a prize. No, this is my video. I'm making an Animal Jam video, that's what I'm doing. Call him Brainiac. Sorry about that, guys. Here we go. So yeah. Let's just try to make it all the way to the top. All the way to the top. All the way to the top. Pow, pow. Boing. Yeah, we're doing so good on this. And I'll probably be doing some like some things, strategies for games and all that. If you want me to do more, just comment on that comment section. Yeah. I'm gonna probably have a new schedule for my videos because, well, first of all, I'm busy with school and all that, and second, it's just don't have that much time to record as much I used to. So yes, I just want to let you know, and that is the reason why I haven't been uploading videos in like a couple of weeks. Shut up! I don't care if you say that! And yeah, shout out to Jesse the Hedgehog and Brainiac. No, I feel like calling you Jesse the Hedgehog. I like calling you Jesse the Hedgehog. Oh! Well, anyways, sure. So yeah, guys, I hope you'd enjoy this video. And if you did, don't forget to give it a like or double like. So yeah. See you later, guys.